Hello viewers, welcome to this course where we are learning about Linux command on Windows using Git Bash. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about text editor, the text editor that you can use in command line. That is what we are going to learn in this very lesson. There are several text editors you can use in command line. Okay, you can use Nano, you can use Vim, you can use other text editors, but the most commonly used ones are Nano and Vim. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Nano text editor. If you have followed the step, I showed you how to install Git Bash on Windows. So if you follow the step, Nano is installed by default with Git Bash. If I type nano like this, nano, so if I just type nano like this and press enter, do you see I have this interface? You can see the version I'm running, 8.6, nano 8.6, and you can see welcome to Nano for basic help. You can see where to get the help, Ctrl G to get help. So if I press Ctrl G, it gives me the help. So, but I don't want us to go through the reading all this text content, guys. You can read the help at your own leisure time. We will just go straight to learn how to use the Nano. So I'm going to press Ctrl X to close this help. You can see Ctrl X. Okay, that is it. Let me just exit for now so that I will just explain everything step by step. If you type nano like this, it is going to open the Nano interface where you can be able to enter your text. Okay, just like your normal text editor. If I do Notepad here and open the interface of Notepad, okay, I have Notepad here. This is the normal notepad that comes with your window. So you can start entering your text here, but that is not what I want to show you. If you are using Nano, you can also enter your text, but Nano will run in command line. So let me close the text editor, that in Notepad. You can use this Nano like this to create a file. If I do ls in my current directory here, you can see what I have here. Okay, readme.txt, text.txt, and we have this folder. But if I use Nano like this, I can create a file .txt. Just like this, using this Nano command, I can use it to create this file .txt, and it is going to open the Nano interface or window. Let me press enter. Do you see it open the Nano window and I have file.txt. Okay, now I can type hello world like this. And if I want to save the file, guys, you can see the shortcut you can use. Ctrl O to write out, that is to write the output. If I type Ctrl O now, do you see write to file, and you can see the name I gave it earlier. If I press enter now, it has already saved the file. If I want to exit now, I type Ctrl X and it has exited. If I do ls now, this is what I have. You can see I have file.txt. If I do cat to view the content of the file.txt, and you can see I have hello world. I can also do nano app.py. Okay, that is Python file. I can write Python command, print hello from Python. Okay, like this. To save the file, I need to press Ctrl O and type. I press Ctrl O, then press enter to save it. If I want to exit from the window, I press Ctrl X and I have saved it. If I do ls, I should have a Python file now, app.py. If I do py Python, I have Python installed in my system. If I want to run it, I do app.py like this. Press enter. You see it returns hello from Python. You can see I can write a Python code using the Nano. You can also use the nano to open a file that is already existing. I have readme.md here. I can use the nano to open it. To open it, I do nano, then I type readme.md. What happens is that if this file doesn't exist, it will create it, but if the file exists, it is going to open it. If I press enter now, do you see it opened the readme file? It opened the readme file, guys. Okay, you can also use this command. You can see the shortcut that are available for you. Now, if I want to edit it, I can actually start editing, add new line like this. If I press Ctrl X to exit, it is now asking me if I want to save the modified buffer. Okay, so because I added the new line, so if I want to save it, I will now type Y. If I don't want to save it, I type N, and if I want to return back, I type C. Let me type N. If I type N now, you can see it exists without saving the file. If I do nano again, readme.md, you can see the new line is not added. That is how to use nano text editor in command line. Thank you for watching this video.